Hey, Jimmy Cup and stuff. Oh my goodness. Have we got a good one for you today. We're gonna cook smoked salmon. We've got a great seasoning. We've got a glaze. And oh my goodness, this turns out so good. So you need to hang around and see how it turns out. So hang tight. Okay, well here's what we've got. This is a little over 4 pound salmon. I'm sure this is not wild caught. I'm sure this is farm. It was just bought in the grocery store. I have washed it. You can see the backside, the skin on. That's fine. I've washed it good. I've patted dry down both sides. I'm going to take and flip it over. And I'm going to put some Uncle Steve shake. This is Gator shake. I do like using Gator shake. And I don't think a whole lot's going to go through that skin, but that's all right. I'm still going to put some on. I'm also going to put some of this. I'm not going to tell you. This is a secret. And let's flip them over. And I'm going to call this a moderate amount. This isn't a lot, but it's okay. I want to be sure to get it everywhere. And then this, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to put some of this on. All right. I'm going to let this sit for just a little bit. Let me get a paper towel here and cover it. I am outside. And when I get the fire ready, I'm going to take it over to the fire. Okay, well, we got our fire up to temperature. Now, I've got the pit boss set at 240. I've done both of the modifications on this 1150 that you see, the one over the fire pit and also the one covering the open end. I've got this salmon on a greased rack. I sprayed it down. I'm going to put it right over the aluminum foil that I have in. And I'm going to stick this probe right in the fat target of that salmon. I'm going to close it up. We're going to get this cook started. I'm going to monitor the temperature on this fish, and then I've got a special glaze I'm going to use. And so at that point, we'll bring you back. Oh yeah, we're starting to get a little color. Let's check and see. 120. Over here to the thick part. It's about 120. All right, about 10 more degrees. We're gonna go about 15 more minutes, and then we'll come back and check on it. And then I've got a surprise for you. Okay, well, the pit boss says that we have hit our temp. The Inkbird says we're at 136 on most of this. And yep, 39. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. This is the secret, all right? This is Mike's Hot Honey. Don't tell my wife. We're gonna drizzle this over the top. We're gonna take our brush all along. It's on a good little shine. Let's get just a little more of this. That wasn't quite enough. That's gonna add a level of sweetness, just a little bit of spice to it. I got this little piece right here. Just don't forget him. Alright. Now, this is thyme. I'm going to take a little bit of fresh thyme, spread it across the top. And I've got some lemon. And so while this glaze is setting on this salmon, I'm going to let that sit over the top. Alright, maybe 10 minutes. I doubt it, but maybe 10 minutes. We're going to let that glaze set, and we'll bring you back because we're going to go to the table. Okay, we've hit 140, which is the max of where I wanted this to go. Yeah. Is that pretty? All right. I'm going to pull the probe out. I'm going to let you look. Is that pretty? All right, let's take it over to the table. Okay, this has come off the smoker. Look at that. See how flaky that is? That is flaky, just as moist as it can be. We gotta try it. I'm going in. Oh my goodness. Good stuff. This is a double. The Uncle Steve shake, I'm not going to tell you what it is. I can taste both. The lemon got in it. That hot honey put just a kiss on it. Oh my goodness. You want something that is absolutely delicious, try salmon like this. Oh my goodness, this is so good. It was so easy to do. It only took a couple hours to cook, prepare, the whole 9 yards. And again, this was just grocery store salmon. This was not expensive buy online stuff. Hey, thanks for sticking around, seeing how this cook turned out. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side? I'll have another video just for you down here. Won't cost a dime. Until next time, hang tight and take care of one another.